Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning. Sorry I'm late. I am late to the party today. Had an issue with, I had to update my computer and I was babysitting. But we're live. We are here. We are live. Good morning. Good morning. Matt, good morning. Ace Undercover, Jack Wiley, Nathan Ramirez. Good morning. Chris, hey, good morning, Chris M. Yep, that was me, Chris. Fred Yeager, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Frank Martin, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Peter, good morning. Micro Player JB, good morning, JB. Sam Owen, good morning. R5 Studios, Will Grimmer, good morning. Faust, good morning. The entertainment on PW today. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hey, good morning, Tanush Tech 111, Melvin, Brian, Danteloy, Dan, Matthew, JD. Hey, good morning, JD Keegan. I got your email this morning. Good to see, good to hear. Chris M, NPBH, Jack. Good morning, Tate. Keep on fishing. Good morning, Darren Koss. Oh. Oh dear. All right. All right. Let's focus up. Apex accounts. So a little bit of an update. Yesterday, my Apex account suffered about a $500 red day. Had about a $500 red day on Apex yesterday. Unfortunate. And now not great. Terrible day on my Lucid account. Whoops. Yikes. That's what happens when you trade big size. It is what it is. Like I said, either I'm going to get that account, I'm either going to build it or I don't want it. That's basically that's what I'm doing. The wife finally untied me from the bed. John, I was not being held against my will. I can assure you. Classic Man, good morning. Jake Dell, good morning. Niles, good morning. Man, I keep thinking this, like, this is kind of setting up for a really good short. Man, I kind of want to take this, but okay, that was a terrible fill, but we're going to take it. We are rejecting off of this 15-minute opening range low. Come on, can we see a continuation? Give me a follow through here, market. Come on. Don't burn me for going short. I don't like, we might get. Come on, market. Dump it. Dump it. Man, I need to follow through here. Come on. Got to get a continuation here. I give up. We could start going sideways here. I wanted to see a continuation there. I don't know. Ugh. I need to change to micros when I trade the open. Guess it's not technically the open anymore, but kind of. Let's see if we retest the this opening range low, 823s. Yeah, TK. Still haven't touched my take profit trader accounts. Good morning, John, by the way. Yeah, I know. I haven't traded take profit trader and I haven't traded funding ticks. Honestly, right now I'm just kind of focused on these Apex accounts. Phidias is daily payouts now. Oh, really, Zabak? I see. Well, we might be starting to just go sideways the way this is going. Was it an Amish arranged marriage when you were 15? Definitely not. Definitely not. I got married when I was 26. 24/7 90. You think we double bottom down here? I mean, we just can't seem to get down below that 810 level. Now we're retesting the 820s. I don't think I'm gonna diddle here. We're the 810s was the overnight low. All right, I mean, maybe we want to come retest the VWAP up here. Hey, Alpha Prime, good morning. We're doing fine. We're doing great. We chilling. We are trading our Apex accounts this morning. I love to get these back to green. If I get denied an Apex payout, can I trade 5 days for 50? Yes, Sacred. Yeah, you can. Funding ticks will close your account if you go 7 days with. Yes, I know that. I do need to trade them. So I'll make sure I do that. Yeah, see, we just couldn't go any lower. It's this 810 held up. Now we're trying to make it move higher. Now I guess we wait. I don't know. We could definitely this could just go right back up. 15-minute range, man. I should have bought here the 780s. That was a perfect double bottom from yesterday's low. See if we get a continuation or not. I lost my last Apex account, so I guess I'm done trading with them. I'm sorry, Kevin. I'm sorry, man. How long does Apex take to approve? 2 to 3 days, I would say, on average. All right, let's see if this continues. Yeah, Will Grimmer. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Now we're rejecting. I feel like we're entering the range session similar to what we did yesterday. Like yesterday, we started ranging here. We did have a nice sell-off in the afternoon, though. Crazy sell-off. I've not been trading the overnight session. Overnight sessions, by the way, have not been great the last 2 days. Not been good at all. I literally barely, I basically got stuck. I should have walked away, but I got stuck trading my Lucid account. I just got absolutely wrecked a couple. These massive little pullbacks just got me. I got whipped around. Got whipsawed like 3-4 different times. Might have gone on tilt just a little bit, and I might have gone 10 minis at one point. I might have been in 10 minis long at one point when we had a 50-point dump, possibly. Unfortunate. It was Kevin doing the trading in the overnight session. Shoot, I should have come up with that, John. It was my dog. The dog did the trading overnight. That's why I have the Lucid account, negative 11,000. It was the dog. It was Kevin. What was the news about David Fry's injury? I mean, the last I heard, he was okay, but he suffered a fracture in his face. I'm not sure like where, but yeah, that didn't look good. Quant Guard, unfortunately, Quant Guard is under maintenance again. I don't know, man. Sucks. It seems like there's just always bugs. And I feel bad for Miles. I feel bad for him. He's been trying really hard, and it just seems like every day there's a new bug. And sucks. All right. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to look for here. Part of me feel like you could take a long, because we're hard we could take a long here, bouncing off that 15-minute opening range low. But I don't know. There's not really much to do here. Yeah, Mikey, it was, that's on me. I was doing pretty decent with my, yeah, I'll admit it. I'll admit it. I went a little bit on tilt. The early this morning, I went on tilt. Yeah. I might have, yeah, went in with 10 minis and thought I could really teach the market something, and we got smacked right in the face. I just don't know what I'm looking for here. I don't want to short. I don't want to short because it seems like this is just in a nice little uptrending channel, but don't really want to go long either. The only thing right now that I kind of look at is if we come up and test the VWAP here, if we come up and test like the 850s, and then we start to roll over, then I like a short. If we come back down and retest the 790s, then we go long. Oh, this looks tempting to go short, though. It looks tempting. Take a short here, look for the 790s. I don't know. Yeah, see, now we're going right back up. Oh, I don't know. What are we doing? Where was the lucid big loss? Right here. right here. See this little fake pump right here? Well, it started. Here's how it started. So we went higher, and I made some bad decisions. I chased this move. Like somewhere up here. Did not take profit. Finally stopped out down here. Against my better judgment, I stopped out. And then we start ripping higher. Didn't get back in. And then we pull back to here. See this little candle? We rip here, and then this is where I went on tilt. Went in with 10 minis, and we absolutely got faked out. I mean, it was one of the better fake outs I've ever seen. It is what it is. It was either we're going to make it or not. I mean, obviously, I still have the account, but obviously, we hit our daily loss limit. So it is what it is. When do I sleep? It's a great question. Last night, I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, I guess. I'll be honest. I did get some, though. I got enough. But you know what I do? When I end stream, I usually take like a 2-hour nap. So I take like a 2-hour, sometimes 3-hour nap in the afternoon between 12 and 3. So I kind of space out. I'm a guy that lives on naps. I take a lot of naps. I don't know. Maybe that's not healthy, but it is what it is. That's what I do. Oh, man. I'm seriously, it's starting to look more and more attractive to go long. The more that this 810 level holds, the more I'm actually thinking we might take this thing higher. Volume is pretty low. All right, I'm going to take a stab here. Man, kind of a, I'm not sure this is a great trade, but just, I'm not looking for a whole lot here, to be honest. We're not looking for a whole lot. Just, I'm just going to scalp that a little bit. I don't know. Watch this breakout now. Just not worth trying to get a runner when it's this choppy. Well, I'm glad I took my profit. Now this is looking like we are... I'm not going to take this short. Glad I didn't hold that one. Oh, snap. Trade the range, they said. It'll be easy, they said. John, did you go short? Let's go, John. You take naps your whole life? I like that. I like that. Look at that dump. All right, 790s are definitely in play here. All right, let's see if we get a... Are we going to get a move? Man, it's kind of like I want to almost... I kind of want to... I want to short this little pump just right back to the 810s, but What is this price action? Jeez. Unreal. Look at this. This is what it's, I mean, this is what it's so, I'd be so upset right now if I went short on the break of the 810s. If you went short on the break of the 810s, I mean, a very logical target would be the 790s. And we literally went to the 794s and now just straight back up. That is enough to just make you want to pull your hair out. Man, I'm tempted to short this so bad. But I don't like that we didn't make new lows here. Man, do I do it? Do I do it? Gosh, I'm gonna do it. Somebody punish me later for even thinking about trading this trash. Ugh. Can we get a follow through? Come on, dump it. Oh no. Kevin! Are you kidding me? Unbelievable. Hello? Testing, testing, 1, 2. Can you hear me? And fill me, market. Fill me. Please, please, please don't let this go against me now. Kevin! Am I still a green screening?